Hello and good evening. My name is Samuel. In this video, I'm going to give you a crash course on how to use your Metamask wallet properly. Now, the first thing you need to do to get Metamask wallet is to go to your Play Store and search for Metamask, right? Then you get it downloaded and installed on your phone. Now, having done that, for you, it will the situation will be that you are supposed to create a new wallet. I already have a MetaMask account or wallet. That's why I'm clearing this account, right? I'm clearing it also because I already have the seed phrase backed up, so I can always get back in. So after you download your MetaMask wallet, what you need to do is open up the MetaMask wallet and register. How do you do that? You just say, instead of import wallet, you say create new wallet, right? Then say I agree again, I agree again, right? Then you create a password. I'm going to show you my password for this very particular tutorial. So your password should be a mixture of both capital letters, small letters, and special characters. Then you now say you understand, then you create password, right? Now after creating password, you'll be prompted to either um, know your recovery phrase right now or to know it later. We're going to choose the option of knowing it later. Okay, this path will help you to minimize having to put back some of the seed phrase to confirm that you actually copied it. But bottom line is that whenever you
Metamask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on Metamask, all of the power belongs to the whole.
and then actually go through the step in the application. Okay, now this is your MetaMask application. So if you want to get your recovery phrase for this particular account, what you need to do is um, go under settings, right? Go under what? Security and privacy.
Metamask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on Metamask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up MetaMask, which allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access. It's important that you secure your wallet by keeping your secret recovery phrase very safe and very secret. If anyone gets access to it, they will have the master key to your wallet and can freely access and take all of your funds.
This is just for tutorial purposes, right? Now, in your MetaMask wallet, you have several crypto networks. Okay, one of such is Ethereum. Okay, if I say add network, you will see others that are available. Okay, like Polygon, Optimism, BNB, Arbitrum, and then Avalanche, right? The rest you can actually import by yourself, as we'll do later, if time permits and if I remember. Okay, so we're going to add Arbitrum, right? We're going to add Polygon. All of these are crypto networks that you need. As you interact further with crypto projects, you will need to add some of these things, some of these networks, and then sometimes you even need to add testnet networks. Okay, so again you go back here, okay, and then you can say show testnet networks. Okay, a very popular testnet network is Sopolia test network. Okay, with time you get to know how to use it. But we're saying add networks, and then you can add as many as possible. I'll add BNB also. Okay, I don't want to switch. Then this is your MetaMask. Now for your account number or your wallet number or your cryptocurrency address, this is it. This is it. Now anytime you click on this, you are actually copying it. The difference then between MetaMask and Trust Wallet is that you see this address that we just copied, this very particular address that we just copied. it actually works for the whole of the wallet, whether you're on Ethereum, whether you're on Bitcoin, whether you're on Polygon, any kind of network you are on, the address remains the same. But if you are on Trust Wallet, every single token has a different address, which can be confusing for somebody that is new to cryptocurrency. So that's why most times you avoid um, using Trust Wallet as a beginner, right? So that is that for that. So this is your Metamask wallet. Now imagine if okay, we're expecting every airdrop very very soon, and imagine if you need to import the token for every in your Metamask wallet. How do you do that? I have something backed up in my WhatsApp. Okay, this is for Mojo. Okay, so i'm going to copy I'm going to copy the contract address. Okay, every single cryptocurrency has a contract address. The abbreviation is CA. Anytime you see CA in cryptocurrency, it simply refers to contract address. So now this Mojo is supposed to be on Polygon network, as you can see. So I will show you again. It's supposed to be on Polygon network. So you go back to your MetaMask wallet. Um, Go back to your MetaMask wallet and then switch over to your Polygon mainnet, right? Just say I got it. Okay, just say I got it. Then you now go under import tokens. Very very simple. Okay, yet most people don't get it because there's nobody that explained it to them. So import token, right? I already have the contract address, so what I'll do is I'll go to custom token, right? Then that CA I was talking about, which is the contract address, if you paste it inside of this provision, this space provided, and then you click on token symbol, everything will automatically reflect. Remember, we're trying to import Mojo. This is Mojo, as you can see. This is Mojo. Okay, for those of us that did the Mojo social tax, this is Mojo. So if you want to import it, that is how you do that. So by the time I paste the contract address, I'll just click on import. Okay, by the time I click on import, it will import the Mojo. You see, are you seeing Mojo, Planet Mojo? Then the ticker is Mojo, right? So you see, I've imported Mojo on what? On my MetaMask, right? Now another thing you could do is, if you don't know the network and you don't know the if you don't know the if you are looking for, or you are looking to import a particular network. For instance, let's say you want to import Blast. For those of us that are doing every I think every is supposed to be on base network, right? So if you want to import base network to your MetaMask, what you simply need to do is, your MetaMask has this part where you can see your networks and tokens. It also has your transaction history. It has where you can quickly swap or buy or bridge tokens. Then additionally, it has your D app browser. This is where you can browse within your MetaMask, right? So what you need to do is, if you want to import a network that you don't know anything about, just go to chainlist.org, right? Then click on the enter button. It will take you to chainlist.org. Now chainlist.org is a platform that simplifies importing different networks into your EVM wallet. Okay, EVM wallet, because EVM wallet, let's just leave it like that so that will not confuse you. So by the time you get to changelist.org, what you need to do is to say connect wallet. It will give you a prompt, then you say connect. After you connect, you notice that your wallet address is going to be reflected here. Okay, it's going to be reflected here. All right, so I will just refresh and we'll see. I'll refresh and then we'll see whether it has actually connected. Okay, yeah, it has connected. So remember, we're looking for base. We're looking for base because we need to import every, right? So what you need to do is just search for base. Okay, now you see that base has reflected. So what you need to do is now say add to MetaMask, right? By the time you say add to MetaMask, just wait for it. It's going to give you a prompt, and then you confirm. Then it will ask you whether you want to switch to the network. Yeah, let's switch. So you switch to the network, right? Then you go back to the first tab on your MetaMask, which is where you see all your different networks, and notice that right now you have what base network. The same thing happens to every other thing. So if I want to add optimism, optimism is a network that has low transaction cost, very low transaction cost. Okay, that's one of the good things about it. So if you want to search for optimism, just yeah, see optimism mainnet disappeared. So let's do the search again, right? Optimism. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, that's still okay. Yeah, optimism, right? So you say add to MetaMask, and then you confirm, and then you switch if you want to switch. Then you can go back to the first tab on your MetaMask. Okay, go back to the first tab on your MetaMask, and then you see that right now we have what we have optimism on our MetaMask. You see that. So that is how to use MetaMask. If you are doing any crypto interaction and they say submit your wallet address for optimism, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for BNB, simply copying this guy and giving the person, right? If the person sends funds to you, or if the project sends funds to you, you will receive it irrespective of the network, because it uses one single wallet address, contrary to how MetaMask does it. So simply put, you have this tab, this tab, this tab, this tab, and settings where you can see your recovery phrase. So that's how to use MetaMask. Very, very simple. So thank you for watching this video. I'll make others on how to use Twitter for crypto research and crypto interactions. I also make other videos on Telegram, about Telegram and Discord. I think I will do Discord next.